Hey, thanks for stopping by to Contraptions. I hope you find something here that will help you. I have quite a variety, but I am trying to keep it to assembling things, repairing things, such as cars and computers and some solar equipment. But there's a lot to do. Please take the time to subscribe as we need over 900 subscribers to make it to 1,000. Actually, I need 990 at the time of this video. Thank you very much and have a great day.
This welding cart from Harbor Freight. Let me go ahead and see what all it consists of. It's an inexpensive one, one of the cheaper ones. It is Chicago electric welding. It's 100 pound capacity. 100 pound capacity. This is 61316. So let's keep going here. Go ahead and get the big pieces out, set them up over here where I can see them. Got the bolts, the casters, okay, big wheels, alright. Alright, here's the bottom tray, I guess, right here, the axle. Got an axle here for the wheels. I don't think it's going to have a bushing in there or not. It looks like it might need one. There's another piece in there. Alright, here's the instructions. Alright, here. Yeah. Okay, that's all the parts out of the box. So here you are. Take a look at it. You got all these here, and then the wheels, and then a bag of bolts and a chain, a couple of brackets. Put a wheel number 12 on the end of the axle 13 and secure it with washer 11 and cotter pin 10. And repeat to the other side. Okay. That's out. We can get to them. Put the cotter pin, and the washer. We got these bigger tires here. Part that goes in goes towards the pipe here. Okay. Can't come out. There we are. Same thing the other side. This hub's sticking out more on one side than the other, so I'm putting it towards then the other cotter key. Okay, there we are. Now, next thing it says you do is 4 bolts and nuts to put the other wheels on in front. So, okay, here's the 2 casters that gotta go on there. Apparently any of these bolts will do, it looks like it. To put the bolts going in here, so they're facing inside of get a nut started on every one of these. Just reaching underneath and spinning that on there. Alright, get the nut started on that. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's much better. Alright, there's those 4. You gotta get the other 4. Four wheels are on. Alright, connect the bottom Note the hole locations in the diagram of the left support to the bottom shelf using bolts 9 and 7. It's got 2 holes on the bottom of that long support. There's a lot of holes towards the top, so this one's going to be facing up. With the flat side, you're going to go up against the little tray here. And they're going where the wheels are at in the front, small wheels instead of the big ones. So I need to put that here. Get him started here. There's that ratchet. Alright, 2 bolts and 2 nuts over here. I'm going to get those started by hand, of course, as far as you can. Alright, it tilts back a little bit, as you can see. Alright, supports are on. Okay, so now it says attach the middle shelf to the left and right supports using the bolts and nuts provided. Same thing right here. So, middle shelf, take one of these are marked here. Perhaps not. This must be the top, because the way it's made. It's got a bend on the front, it's open too. You slide something on and off. Weird. Looks like the directions is basically quit at this point. That's something. And here's the part. It's got a slot on it. On the ends here, slotted. Center tray. Some of these here. Just get these bolts started from this center tray. Alright, got them started. The top tray has to go on. One. So far, we got this side and that side started. Supposed to have another bolt here, a couple in the back here. tilt it in a little bit. Get a different angle. There we go. Yeah, I gotta be tightened up yet. Yeah, one more bolt to put in the back here. Alright, now these angle brackets gotta go on. Go right here. Alright. Alright, looks like there's a few extra washers left over. I'm not exactly sure what for, but perhaps to shim that axle a little bit better than what it is. Take out some of that slop. I guess I'll pull those wheels back off and put one on the inside on each one, because I don't know what else you do with them. I'm not showing anything up here for it. So, just a matter of snugging everything down now, and that should be it. Got a chain. This chain right here is used for holding the tank on. You got two pieces, and that's going to go in the back here with a slot for it. There's a slot for this, you can put that right in there. Snatch it on there and do the same thing on the other side there. One for the bottom, one for the top. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten everything up, and then that should be good to go. There's still an extra washer, an extra cotter key, 2 bolts and 2 nuts. The directions were very basic. They get you started, first couple of things, and then it goes into just simply text. So that you have to go with this picture here, the assembly, if you need some help. That's really about it. Pretty simple. You can assemble it in about an hour. And the tools necessary: I use a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a 10mm socket, 10mm combination wrench, a pair of pliers, which I didn't have to have the pliers, I could have done without them. I used a regular screwdriver to bend the cotter key if I wanted to, and a couple of Phillips screwdrivers. A short screwdriver would have been sufficient, or I could have just used no screwdrivers and just used this 1/4-inch ratchet and a 10mm combination wrench. Should have been able to do the whole thing with that, actually. I really wanted to, but I got a good tool selection, so I just get whatever's handy. Here's a closer look at it. This left support is marked, so is the right support. That's the only pieces that are marked. And the top tray has no lip on it, and the lip faces down rather. It's got an opening for you to slide your welder onto. The center tray has an edge on it all the way around, and it faces up. And then the bottom tray is the biggest part.
All right, and there you have it. Thanks for coming by. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and have a great day.